Linear equation exam practice question 11. Use the method of substitution to solve the following pair of simultaneous equations. Because we are using substitution, we need to get a variable by itself. So the easiest one to get by itself would be using our first equation over here and by using substitution. I'm going to get one of our variables by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is add x to both sides. If I add x to both sides, that leaves me with just 2y equals 6 plus x. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 6 from both sides. I just didn't want to have a negative. So that's where now I'm going to have 2y take away 6. 6 take away 6 cancels each other out, leave me with equals x. And I've got my variable, one variable by itself. Now all I need to do is rewrite my first equation, but whenever I have x, I put in 2y take away 6. Okay, so now I've got that. I'll keep finishing that off. So I've got plus 3y equals negative 25. So now I just need to simplify and expand this bracket, and that just means that this 7 must times with 2y, and this 7 must times with negative 6. So we've got 7 times 2y is 14y. 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. Plus 3y is equal to negative 25. Again here, I'm going to put in bold and highlight the fact that we have like terms. So we can simplify them. 14 groups of y plus 3 more groups of y equals 17y. Take away the 42 is equal to negative 25. The next step I can look at is thinking about I would like to get the constants to be on one side. So to do that, I'm going to add 42 to both sides. If I add 42 to both sides, that leaves me with 17y, and negative 25 plus 42 is 17. Now I need to get y by itself, so to do that I have to divide both sides by 17 because it's the opposite of times. That leaves me with just y equals 1. Now I know what y needs to be. I can put it into any of my two equations and I can work out what my x will be. So I'm going to use the equation 2y minus x is equal to 6. So if I use this equation, I know that my y must be 1. So it's 2 times 1 2 times 1 take x equals 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 take away x equals 6. The same thing, I know I can just guess or I can work it out. So I'm going to take away 2 from both sides. If I take 2 from both sides, that leaves me with negative x is equal to 4. I'm going to get rid of that negative by dividing both sides by negative 1. And that leaves me x must equal negative 4. So that gives me my answer for the simultaneous equation of my x is negative 4 and my y is positive 1.